Hi, good morning, everyone. It's Julie, J Auto Trading Strategies. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 7:10 a.m. Central, and I'm taking a look at the daily chart today for crude, trying to get a guess on where things are going to be happening today following the EIA report. Still bullish on the daily, but I've got maybe some hopium coming in, because I'm seeing the distribution bars at the deviation band. This is my yearly VWAP. Here was last year's value area. We had the big downturn, and we passed the first deviation band, the second deviation band, and this year VWAP itself is creating the third deviation from last year's value, and price is trading above our yearly VWAP, and we're between the second deviation from last year's value and the current yearly VWAP, and we're just sort of sitting out here. Price is trying to figure out where it's going to go. And what I don't like about this is that I'm seeing these distribution wicks where the market is pushing price down towards the yearly value. I do have my momentum that I want to see, but I've got a little bit of a K-hook happening now in the daily, which I'm going to have to really pay attention to see if I can get that moving back up. But right now it's looking like it's going to be rolling over. Here is my 60-minute chart for my range. You can see that this week is inside of last week's value. Thursday still holds the pivot. And this pivot, it will be key today to see if the EIA report breaks this pivot. I'm sure it will. We're in that daily 3 pattern. I forgot to show that to you. All of these candles are lining up inside of Thursday's bar. So this is the pivot to watch right here. So I'll be watching this pivot. And these weekly levels, I'll be seeing how the algos respond to these deviation bands. So I'm going to be taking it easy today on my trading on the EIA report. I just think the market is really pushing prices down. I'm not seeing any accumulation. I'm seeing distribution. Even though that we're supposed to be in an uptrend and breaking out, I'm just not seeing it today. And I've got to be able to see the forest for the trees despite all the hopium in the world that I want to see prices come up a little bit. Even though I know that price is so depressed, I just don't think the market is ready yet to bring this back down. Bring it back up into this range. I'm trying to get the range between these two levels here, 63.72 and 69.07. So I want to see a push above this and to start trading up here between these distribution bands, deviation bands. This one right here, last year's 1 and last year's 2. So that's my market report. Unfortunately, I'm seeing a little bit of a rollover. So I hate to say it, but my bias today is going to be short. Thank you so much.